In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean ChatGPT Library history. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So if you just want to do individual chats and delete them, basically what we need to do is hover over the chat like so, and you can see three dots here. We want to go in and click on the three dots and click on to delete. But if you don't want to delete it, we can go ahead and archive it from your history, and then you can view that at another date. So either one of these will work. Now, the next step is to go ahead and clear all chat history. So I want to go ahead and click onto our profile image, click into settings, then click onto the data controls tabs. Now here we've got the option to delete all chats. So if you go ahead and click on delete all, that's going to clear your whole chat history. Now this is also going to remove your saved conversations from the sidebar and library. Now if you do click this, there's no trash can option, or you can't reverse this, so be mindful when you do delete it. You're probably not going to be able to get your chats back. If you've got them in your archive chats, you can go in and click on manage if they are archived. But yeah, if you delete all chats, they're going to be permanently deleted.